Hey beautiful person, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change project resolution in Filmora 12. Well, now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it. So what you have to do pretty much is just to click on this icon here and then just click on change project aspect ratio. You can also open this if you go to project settings here, file, and then project settings, and here you can change the resolution of your project 4K. Now our video is 4K. We can increase our video, as you can see, because we have to resize our video. Now we have a 4K resolution. I don't know why I have this here, but yeah, that's what you have to do. I really hope this video helped you, and if you have any suggestions for the next Filmora tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.